They were skeptical whether cases will come since I being a first generation lawyer and all that. Initially, lawyers, for young lawyers and especially first generation lawyers, you don't get big opportunities. But I kept it very basic, simple and flexible. I was ready to do all kind of work that was thrown at me. Just last year I bought another office which is still bigger, and now like I can accommodate all my associates, my clerical staff. What paid me off is I am Advocate Viraj Patil, founder of Par Sarthi LLP, and this is my story. हमारा लॉ फर्म है पार सरती एलएलपी एंड यहाँ से हम ऑपरेट करते हैं इन नवी मुंबई एरिया मेजरली एंड बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट. अभी हमारी जूनियर एसोसिएट्स प्लस क्लरिकल 9 से 10 लोगों की टीम है. शुरुआत से मेरा जो प्रोफाइल रहा है इट्स मेजरली इनटू रियल एस्टेट एंड प्रॉपर्टी लॉ. दैट हैज़ बीन माय कोर एक्सपर्टाइज एंड ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम हमने डाइवर्सिफाई किया है. सिंस वी आर बेस्ड इन नवी मुंबई वेयर अ लॉट ऑफ बिजनेस एक्टिविटी एंड रियल एस्टेट एक्टिविटी इज गोइंग ऑन. स्मॉल बिजनेसेस स्टार्टअप्स भी आ रहे हैं, तो वी आर एडवाइजिंग देम, वी आर रीचिंग आउट टू देम, और वो एक अलग से निश एरिया हमारा डेवलप हो रहा है. फिर बैंकिंग का हमारे पास काम है, डेब्ट रिकवरी ट्रिब्यूनल्स में हम बोरोवर्स को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, बैंक्स को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. अगेन या कॉर्पोरेट लिटिगेशन इज़ अ गुड डिसेंट वर्क दैट वी आर डूइंग राइट नाउ. सो ओवरऑल इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ मिक्स, मेजरली इनटू all the civil areas of law. Still today 60-70% of our litigation is into property laws. So that has been there. So that is the reason we have always prioritized real estate and property law.
Okay, so how did law happen?
I did not choose it initially by myself. It just happened to me. My basic graduation is into hotel management. My family owns a hotel and restaurant business back hometown. My hometown is Karad in district Satara of Maharashtra, western Maharashtra part. And I did the hotel management graduation way back in 2005. After that I worked in some 5-star hotels, but I did not enjoy it much, so I got back to my family business. And while I was doing business with my dad, that was the time when I thought ki I'm still very young, so let me try something new. So that time MBA was a very trendy thing, so I thought let me explore management side, let me do MBA in some good institute. But that was the time my father, with all his experience and wisdom, he said that instead of doing MBA, we are into business and we face small day-to-day difficulties day in day out, so why not try law? So it might help us in our business, and if at all you choose to pursue your career in law, that is also good. So with that advice I got into law. Initially I wasn't sure whether this is going to be my career, but within a semester I found law to be my passion. I started to go outside of my university. I started to do a lot of moot courts, conferences, international moot courts, and there I got to see that what this legal field is about, and I realized that this field has a lot of potential.
Right.
And that was the time I decided, irrespective of what, I'm not going back to doing anything else. My family business will always be there, I can handle it anytime, but law is something I want to do, and it gives an opportunity to create a lot of impact in the society. That was the reason law happened to me, you can say.
Which college?
Masters I did in National Law School of India University, Bangalore in 2010.
आपकी internships वगैरह कैसी रही?
I did internships while studying my basic LLB degree and LLM. I did intern under some senior lawyers in Pune and Mumbai. Even during my masters, since my college duration was not very hectic, it was just 3 to 4 hours in the morning, so I had joined a banking firm in Bangalore. So I started part-time litigations sometime in 2008. Right. I got a prima facie view of the litigation area, the law in general. What are the kinds of problems people and institutions face, and how lawyers are handling it, what are the different avenues of law, and it gave me the ability to make an informed choice by the time I was passing out. I also tried an in-house job with a corporate, Indus in Media and Communications. I also worked with an NGO since my master's was into human rights and international law. So that was also a plan some time back, that to pursue a career in human rights and international law, but later I got back into mainstream litigation. So I tried few experiments, and then sometime around 2014-15 I started my own law practice. Initially, lawyers, for young lawyers and especially first generation lawyers, you don't get big opportunities. But I kept it very basic, simple and flexible. I was ready to do all kind of work that was thrown at me. I started with legal notices, drafting property agreements, doing some kind of society related work. So basically I did all kinds of stuff, and that helped me to create a network. And in the process, the mainstream litigation started to come to me. When I was doing a stable job and I was getting a good package, so they were also not quite sure when I was planning to quit the job and start my own office, because they were skeptical whether cases will come, since I being a first generation lawyer and all that. But I did one thing. I approached a lot of mentors in my field who have tried different things, and I try to see what is working and what is not working. So one great advice that I got from one of my seniors was, try to first aim for at least a base of 50 cases.
Okay.
So once you achieve that, that will compound by itself. Pandemic did affect me. A lot of physical work that we were doing, we were not able to do that. But that was also time to self-introspect, that is this the only thing that we can do, or can we try something else? So that was the time I decided that let me incorporate a legal entity. So I incorporated my firm, Parsarthi, during that period, along with a friend of mine. And at the same period, I would say, I was also getting a lot of time to explore what's going on in India and abroad. And during that period, I think LawSikho was also an upcoming legal tech startup, and you people were promoting, and you people were encouraging a lot of young lawyers to expand their legal services and not just think about India but go abroad. So that did give me a lot of motivation, and I attended some of the workshops conducted by Abhyuday regarding law office management. Then I did try some of your courses like international business law, contract drafting laws, and all that.
Okay.
So from that time, after doing these courses, I actually expanded my legal practice areas. I started to provide a lot of legal services also.
You tried international markets?
Yes, we are doing it right now.
Okay, so you have
Yeah.
clients from international also, no?
Yeah.
NRIs or the
NRIs, small businesses. I'm networking with lawyers from US and UK through my LinkedIn network, and we are providing them some small virtual assistant paralegal services and advisory. What paid me off is my activeness on LinkedIn.
LinkedIn work for you?
Yeah, LinkedIn worked for me, where I started to create content around the problems faced by retail clients and institutions, and like commenting or engaging positively with the prospective clients, and that did help me in getting opportunities. Surely LinkedIn was helpful. After COVID, I bought a new office. It was much bigger in size. That was in 2022, and just last year I bought another office which is still bigger, and now like I can accommodate all my associates, my clerical staff, and I have a good dedicated space for my associates to work independently.
What are the do's and don'ts to like have a thriving practice as a first generation lawyer?
The do's, I would say that you have to focus on the basics, focus on the research, drafting, core court craft, observing the senior lawyers in the court, reading stuff, make sure that you read at least one judgment per week, if not per day, because some judgments are lengthy. So given the time, day-to-day routine that juniors are having these days, 10, 12 working hours, but they can at least read one judgment in a week. Plus, they can also follow a lot of stuff on LinkedIn.
AI कितना implement किया आपने अभी अपने काम में?
We are implementing a lot of AI these days. We are exploring a lot of AI, like apart from ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Gemini, we are trying different stuff. I'm identifying different AIs that are suitable for different segments of work. Which AI is good for drafting, which AI is good for research. Apart from traditional legal softwares like Manupatra that we have, but there are many new age AI that are coming in the market. So what I'm doing is I'm dedicating 15 minutes of the day for learning this new AI stuff and trying different prompts for different kinds of requirements. And we are creating a repository of prompts for different kinds of work, right from core legal work to admin stuff, like even creating backend stuff like invoices or maybe quotations or maybe offers or like follow-up templates with the clients or brochures.
Right.
So I also made one brochure in a live session with one of the expert from LawSikho. I tried that and it was a beautifully done brochure wherein I only added my firm related stuff and the entire framework was given by LawSikho. And I have circulated that brochure to many institutional clients of mine and have been getting good leads. Having taken LawSikho courses myself, I know the modus operandi, how much you people grill your students, like all those assessment tests, the homework stuff that you give, the practical training, and the training being given by people from the industry, I think, which is your USP. So I can very much rely on any person coming from LawSikho side. It has always helped me.
What do you think? How much now personal brand is important for a lawyer on digital media?
People want to have genuine connection with their lawyers, who is going to ultimately fight their cases in the court.
Right.
And they want to understand how good the lawyer is, how empathetic the lawyer is, how transparent the lawyer is. So all those things definitely matter. The legal profession is a service profession. But having said that, I would say that there is a fine line. There is no prohibition for lawyers to educate people, to make them more legally aware.
Right.
So once you do that in a genuine way, then as and when people will face any problems, they would definitely consider approaching you. Right. So that's definitely doable for lawyers.
So what are your new plans now, new targets that you have set for yourself and your firm?
We are now expanding our fractional GC model pan-India and internationally. That's the immediate goal, I would say, for us. I would like to continue the things that I'm doing right now, like expanding our legal areas, increasing the client base. My focus is to build this firm with that mission, having a culture of transparency, and for me, law is not just about winning cases and money, but creating an ecosystem for change.